Good morning everybody, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're all doing great, hope you're having a great weekend. And welcome to your daily update on Rndr. I've been covering Rndr daily for a while now, most of you know. If you don't know, and if you are interested, make sure to subscribe if you like the analysis at least. I try to be realistic, I try to explain it as well as possible, and yeah, that's what we'll do. Mostly a technical analysis. I'm not sure what fundamentals we need to talk about with Rndr. I mean, we talked about it briefly yesterday that I do feel that Rndr is still a little bit manipulated, but it has actually decreased. Like for example, a lot of volume from HIT BTC, BTC Turk, that usually is accompanied with manipulation, but it's not that much in terms of total percentage of volume. So there's not something to worry about, I think. But apart from that, I mean, it was way higher during a move like this or during these moves, which was pretty crazy. So the big question is still, can we get to $3? We'll talk about that. Like I said, we'll mostly talk about the technicals. And if you like it, make sure to like and subscribe. But for now, let's get into it. Before we start, if you want to receive daily trading signals, by the way, then I have my own trading signal group, which you can join via the links down in the description or the pinned comment. I think we're about to close yet another profitable week. I think it's like the 4th consecutive profitable week. So if you want to join in those profits and become a better trader, check them out. Now into Rndr. So what we talked about yesterday with Rndr, and we're going to zoom in a little bit, is that there was this level right here, which, I mean, you had the trend line and the 0.236 FIB and the 28 EMA. That was a great support level, and I'm not sure what type of arrow that is. Was a great support level, but in the end, it's the weekend. Yesterday, we already identified that the volume was dropping down for Rndr, so usually it doesn't react that well to it, which is fine. It's not a problem at all, but that did mean that we had a bearish breakout. And a bearish break retest of this whole level right here between 2.7 and 2.65. So does that mean we're bearish? No. And the thumbnail is again a little bit dramatic. The thing is that a bearish breakout usually is a confirmation of some more bearish momentum coming in. But in this case, we still have this whole level between 2.55 and 2.5 as support. Now, it would not be ideal to drop down there, because I don't think it's 100% that if we drop down there again, that will just rebound back up, break above 2.7 and get up to $3. See, there are actually we are actually seeing the first signs of where it's maybe possible that we're going to consolidate / drop down a little bit. So the most important thing is that, excuse me, I just touched my microphone, so perhaps you heard a loud sound. The main thing is that just in the next like 2-3 days, and I think today we actually got the biggest chance, what we need to do is that from this entire area, from where we are right now all the way down to 2.5, we just need to break above that level at 2.7 again, preferably even 2.75. If we can do that, I mean, sure, 2.95 and 2.9 has been a strong resistance level for a while now, but I just don't see how, if we break above that again so soon, how we cannot go to $3 and a level around $3, so 3.05, 3.1. I still think that's the most likely scenario. I mean, even right now, after that bearish breakout and retest, we're still pushing up there. We're definitely helped by a relatively strong Bitcoin, but still, Rndr is doing it too. Could also drop down. So altogether, I'm still very positive. The only thing, what I'm worried about, to kind of talk about that briefly, what I'm worried about is dropping down to 2.5, and that will then have a bearish break retest off of 2.55. That's really the only reason, so that we get into that level and then we cannot get out anymore. If that happens, okay, then I think we'll drop down to 2.25 and 2.2 and start a downtrend. But at this point of time, I think the chances of that happening really are like 10-15%. So I wouldn't worry about it too much. I did want to name it. So that's my take on Rndr for now. If you do have any questions, then as always, let me know. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.